Hello students, welcome to this particular important announcement video students. ये एक important announcement video होगा, please आप लोग उसको ध्यान से सुनिएगा. So here students, we all are aware that the examination has been postponed. In fact everyone knew, सबको पता था कि ये चीज़ होने वाली थी, but official ICAI की तरफ से जब तक नहीं आ जाता तब तक कुछ भी कहना गलत हो जाता है. So therefore this is now has happened. Underlying objective of this ICAI notification was for postponement of examination was the fact that the moment the January results would be out and those students who unfortunately could not qualify, at least for them also they should have some window to appear for the May examination. तो अब ये पक्का है कि एक ही एग्जाम होगा मई में, ऐसा नहीं कि there would be one examination in May and then again in somewhere June end or July. There is nothing of such thing which is going to happen. So students, Jan students also will have to keep this perspective in mind, and those students, मेरा तो एक ही recommendation होगा, those students who did well, please students start gear up for your preparation, because you have to prepare for the worst. ये चीज़ आप लोग ध्यान में रखना. Did you all got this one? Now I have to do very important announcement, quick announcement video for all of you. तो students, अभी देखो क्या है आप लोगों के लिए, एक चीज़ आपको मैं बता रहा हूँ. First and foremost thing is about this chart part, क्योंकि everyone asking about sir YouTube में आप every year आप जो chart revision डालते हो तो please आप उसे continue रखेगा. तो मैंने बोला ठीक है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, we will be doing the same thing. Any case वो 30-35 hours के chart की जो sessions है वो मैं डलवा दूंगा, and I'll be doing it the way I have done it last time, one in Hindi and another would be in English. Okay, so you have to just be following this particular page, my YouTube channel. Second and more importantly, I am already doing students some of for this chart students, just be very careful. The chart, the concessional rate, physical copy of this chart. Now I'll just show you about something about chart before I start doing another announcement. Can you see that students? Colorful charts covering each and everything. Each and every area of the topic students has been covered. Everything which has been there. आप बोलोगे sir, we cannot see anything on that. Don't worry, I do know you can't see this. But primarily the physical length of the chart, I don't have the copy over here to show you, but it is a physical length is big. It is in a book form. Students, ये book form में है. ये चीज़ सबसे important है. This is in the book form, and that is the beauty of this particular chart. Now this covers everything, including all the case laws. Everything students has been covered, and ये पूरी तरह से क्या है? पूरी तरह से everything has been completely has been redefined here. Some students may have the old chart. They will say, sir, whether we can continue with that old chart. Students, if I have to suggest you, this has been completely revamped. ये पूरी तरह से revamp कर दिया गया है. So therefore this chart 157 page, you are going to end up doing the entire direct tax. The revision, multiple revision, you can keep on doing it. Benefit of chart आपको पता ही है कि that you can keep on doing multiple revision in between while you are also doing other subjects, plus it facilitate big time the last day revision. तो ये बहुत बड़ा आपको क्या फ़ायदा मिलता है इस पूरे प्रोसेस में. दिस टाइम और व्हाट आई हैव डन स्टूडेंट्स इज दैट आई हैव आल्सो इंक्लूडेड प्रैक्टिकल क्वेश्चंस एज वेल. सो ऑल द एडवांस एरिया ऑफ द सिलेबस लाइक ट्रांसफर प्राइसिंग, नॉन रेसिडेंट टैक्सेशन, ऑल्टरनेट टैक्स रेजिम, TDS, TCS, सारे वो इंपॉर्टेंट अमेंडमेंट्स पे. सो इफ यू सी, यू विल फाइंड द केस स्टडीज एंड ऑल like the TDS and TCS. See if you can see herein the TDS and TCS, primarily all the example, solution, everything has been covered. So this is really a good one. Plus the circular notification that has been issued very recently, all of them students have been captured, and this exactly so comprehensively made the chart, and that is why I would be putting the chart revision the way I used to do it earlier also. I will be putting up the chart revision primarily in the YouTube channel also. So just ensure that you get the physical copy of your charts as well. ये approximately 30 घंटे का मैं revision हमेशा करता ही हूँ, तो obvious है कि I will continue with that, and we will revise the entire content of this particular chart quickly. Okay, so that is what we are going to do it. Now, so this is full-fledgedly the chart revision assessment procedure. Can you see? This was all about assessment, penalty, revision. आपको ऐसा लगता है छोटा रहेगा, लेकिन कुछ छोटा नहीं है, काफ़ी ये बड़े-बड़े हैं, मतलब कि it is very much legible, तो charts काफ़ी बड़े हैं. Faceless assessment and all, faceless appeal, faceless penalty, everything has been captured. Settlement commission, advance ruling, so all that is required. Surrogate taxes, ये सारे amendment जितने भी हैं, all the amendments, all the case laws, whatever has been reported, up till the last, everything has been captured in that 157 pages. Students, I have done everything including the practical problems. Can you see this practical problem? ये सारे practical problems के साथ मैंने ये रखा है. So you revise so relevant thing a day before examination or even during your next journey of 3 months. जो 3 महीने की जर्नी अब आपको करनी है, वो 3 महीने का सबसे अच्छा साथी आपके हाथ में है. और उसके साथ साथ I will be also be doing the revision quick lectures. I am going to start now that series because I was waiting for the chart to come out and now it has already been out in the market. So please grab this one. Chart concessional price में अभी मिल रहा है. I think the number is already going on the scroll format. You can just go through the same. Secondly, students, I am starting with now minute MTPs. Students always keep on asking, sir, what about the MTPs and all? Last time we were completely stumped with your 7 MTPs. So students, this time I have got 9 MTPs for you. This time I have got 9 MTPs for you. 9 MTPs. So, और मैंने क्या किया है in this Unacademy platform में, मैंने आपको बता रहा हूँ ये what are the things that you have to must attend, students. अभी मेरा Unacademy में amendment चल रहा है. So right now I'm doing the amendment session. So tonight I am doing assessment, faceless appeal. ये आप एक काम करना स्टूडेंट्स, प्रोफाइल मेरा जरा फॉलो करना है अकेडमी में, दुर्गेश सिंह. आपको मेरे प्रोफाइल को फॉलो करना चाहिए, दुर्गेश सिंह, एंड यू विल बी गाइडेड विद दिस पर्टिकुलर अमेंडमेंट सीरीज. ठीक है, तो आप मेरे प्रोफाइल को जरा वहाँ फॉलो करें. और कोई भी वीडियोस अगर आपको देखना हो ना तो ये CADS का कोड लगवा दें. तो अभी जो चल रहा है, द थिंग्स विच इज गोइंग ऑन इज द अमेंडमेंट लेक्चर. So tonight I am going to do face assessment procedure related amendments. I am going to do it tonight. Thereafter मेरे 3 अमेंडमेंट मेरे हो चुके हैं, तो वो आप ऑफलाइन में भी देख सकते हो, लेकिन रिकमेंड होता है कि आप लाइव में रहो. लाइव के बारे में मैं इसके लिए कह रहा हूँ स्टूडेंट्स कि अगर आप अगले 15 दिन मेरे साथ लाइव में जुड़े रहे, नेक्स्ट 15 डेज, और कोई आपको ज्यादा स्पेंड नहीं करना है, आप 15 दिन बस जुड़े रहो लाइव में. आपको मैं बता रहा हूँ स्टूडेंट्स कि 15 days when I'm saying you just be there with me for another 15 days in a live lecture, your entire direct tax law, students, will get revised and in a most decisive form, like the practical MCQs based and all, everything. I've selected the topics, everything on that line. So in the Unacademy app right now, in Unacademy learning app, Unacademy learning app, students, Unacademy learning app, आप उसको डाउनलोड करें. Unacademy. Okay, Unacademy learning app. Download this, and what presently I'm doing it is the amendment session which is going on. Secondly, students, second point which has been there is about the after the amendment. I'm also doing the test series. A test series which is 9 MTPs. Many students are interested in that 9 MTPs, so please pay attention. If you go to the Unacademy website, on the very left hand side आपको टेस्ट सीरीज का एक सेगमेंट दिखेगा, टेस्ट सीरीज लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में. तो जस्ट क्लिक देयर और वहां पे CA फाइनल, देन यू गो टू द CA फाइनल ग्रुप 2, CA फाइनल ग्रुप 2 लिंक, एंड देयर यू विल फाइंड माय MTPs, मॉडल टेस्ट पेपर, और दी यू कैन से द लिंक. फाइन. और एल्स व्हाट यू कैन डू ऑल्टरनेटिव, स्टूडेंट्स, जस्ट आज टुडे इज 28th, टुडे इज व्हाट 19, आज क्या अनाउंसमेंट डे है? Today is 19th February. So 19th February, just follow my this one, Telegram CA Durgesh Singh, and I have just put some notifications for you in the afternoon. CA Durgesh Singh is my Telegram channel link, and there you will find the link of test series. तो वहाँ पे आप जाके क्या कर लेना कि you go to test series CA final group 2, you will find that MTP, and there are 9 MTPs, of which 3 MTPs तो आपको कल तक मिल जाएंगे. उसके मैं solutions वीडियो बना रहा हूँ. I always do a solution video of that, the analysis of that each and every MTPs, and I have bifurcated that every MTP cover which portion of your syllabus, the way I have done it in the last attempt also. Now एक complaint था students को कि सर solution videos पूरे नहीं थे. Out of 7 I think it was only 4. इस बार I'm just doing everything because now since you people have also the time, so I'm just doing all the videos herein, and this will be very important for you to get a grip on these particular topic and revise it in the form of the MTP form. Then from 1st March onward, students, I am also doing with you the MCQs. The MCQ, students, they are the best in the business. आप देखना MCQ जो मैं बना रहा हूँ, और ये ICI की जो अभी रिसेंटली जो रिलीज MCQs हुई है, सो हियर इन द टफ MCQs is what I have selected. The toughest of the MCQs is what I have selected, so as to give you this entire practice and save your time also. Otherwise आप खुद से भागते रहोगे तो घूम जाओगे यहाँ वहाँ. So I just want to ensure that your time is saved. So I'm putting you into the rigorous practice of the tough MCQs, starting from 1st of March to 10th of March. Timings are the same. You just block your time from 9:30 to 10:30. 1 hour daily, like post dinner. आप बस ये 1 घंटा. That is what I told you. I'll not consume now much of your time. You just block live for live 9:30 to 10:30. Okay, so that is what you should be blocking it. Starting from today, you'll start finding all the lectures from now till 10th of March. क्या होगा मालूम है? उससे आपका पूरा direct tax you will be practicing in a very practical manner. And that will give you that edge which is required so far as the paper is concerned. And maybe thereafter, if you want to initiate your own preparation, you can start off after that. क्योंकि एक बार क्या आपने revise कर लिया है through a practical way, your mind would have opened up before you start your final revision. जो आपका final revision होगा, एक बार मैंने जितने भी interlinking करनी थी, I would do those things, and then you are up for doing your last final revision to take it and close the subject. This particular the chart based revision for that 30 hours, any case these are offline videos, तो वो तो आप offline में भी देख सकते हो, ये chart based है. लेकिन जो मैं live में आपको चाहता हूँ from that 9:30 to 10:30, please do ensure that this particular lectures are being attended. नहीं तो होगा क्या मालूम है, the chances are very high that for the next 10 days you will be in a relaxed mode. Why? Because any case ICI has postponed it. Please understand students, every extra day is like equal to 10 hours per day. So if you miss 10 days, is like 100 days, 100 hours is lost in the process. 100 hours means what? It is equal to one subject fully covered. 100 hours is what you cover for one full subject. So therefore it is important in the live session there would be other students who would also be there, and they would be also be engaged, and they would be also be competing. तो क्या होगा ना, एक तरीके से peer pressure would always be there, और आप में भी वो एक competitiveness बना रहेगा. जज्बा अभी फिलहाल के लिए बहुत क्रिटिकल है फॉर द नेक्स्ट 15 डेज. नहीं तो ऐसे ही दिन चले जाएंगे ना विदाउट एनी टैंजिबल आउटपुट, तो फिर से ऐसा ना हो जाए बैक टू स्क्वायर वन. जो समय मिला था उसका हमने सदुपयोग नहीं किया. सो स्टूडेंट्स, दैट इज प्राइमरी आई जस्ट वांटेड टू कन्वे टू ऑल ऑफ यू. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ये चार्ट ले लो जल्दी से, भी एक बुक कर लेना, बिकॉज आई थिंक द विंडो इज वेरी लेस नाउ फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू. सो एट अ कंसेशनल रेट you'll find it the chart beautiful thing. It's not that there is a selling pitch that has been made. कोई मैं selling pitch नहीं कर रहा हूँ, आप खुद ही देखोगे कि बहुत लाजवाब चीज़ आपके हाथ पे आ रही है. और आपका जो साथी रहेगा 3 महीने का, for the next 3 months it will be your companion, because you can do multiple revision while you're doing other subjects. Plus on the day before examination, this is a solution for you. Fine students, so this is it students. So now I'll see you. Starting from tonight, you can choose which are the sessions that you want to attend, but majorly I will say to all of you, attend all. Okay, I'll keep on announcing in that all the lectures what are the schedules which are there, so you will be knowing about everything. Also, if you follow my profile, you'll get the details of my lectures which has been planned up for all of you. These are, by the way, all the free lectures. ये भी बताना जरूरी है. तो आपने अपना टाइम इन्वेस्ट करना है, बाकी प्राइमरी आपका टाइम है, तो फिर that is one thing which I will just ensure that you get the best of the returns primary from my side. Thank you very much students. See you then.